right, everybody, here is a memory matching game for you, and all you need to make it are paper and a pen. I took some paper and I cut it up into squares, and I started by writing a math fact on one card, and then I drew an array that matches it on another card. So 4 times 5, 4 rows of 5. 3 times 6, 3 rows of 6, and then I did one more. You would want to make a bunch more so that you can really test your memory. And so what you do is after you've written them all out and drawn your matching arrays, you want to flip them all over and then scramble them up only one time. So mix them up on your table or counter or the floor, wherever you're playing, and then you're gonna leave them there. And I'm gonna flip one over if it's my turn. So I got 7 times 2. So I'm hoping I can find the array that is 7 rows of 2. So I really don't know, so I'm gonna take a guess. Let me try this one. Nope, that doesn't match. So I flip it over, and then it's my partner's turn. But my partner knows that this one's 4 times 5, and they know this one is 7 times 2, because I'm not gonna mix them up again. So maybe they'll flip over this one. Ooh, 4 times 5, and then they wanna remember which one was the 4 times 5, and if they were paying attention, they would know it was this one, and they would make a match, and that's 1 point for them. And you want to see who can get the most matches. Another way you can play is you can do the fact, and instead of having an array to match, you could do the turnaround fact. So I could make my other card be 5 times 4, or I could make it be a little wobbly for you guys. The repeated addition could be the other card that I'm matching. So 4 times 5 would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or I could make the answer, the product, my matching card. So I could be looking for a 20. If you really want to make this tricky, you could make 3 in your set. So you'd have to match all 3 of them. So maybe you want the fact, the repeated addition, and the answer. Maybe you want the fact, the turnaround fact, and the product, your choice. But you'd have to get all 3 to make a set. So one more way you can play this game is to make it a fractions game, because I'm sure you're all missing fractions right about now. You can start by writing a fraction on one of your cards, drawing a fraction model, and that can be what you're matching. Here's another example, 2, 6, and 2, 6. Maybe you want to match those. Again, you would want to have a bunch more of these to test your memory. And if you want to throw in a third one, you could add in word form. So I could want to match a half in fraction form, a half in a fraction model, and a half in word form. I hope you guys have fun playing these games. If you want, you can make me a flip grid to tell me all about which version you chose. See you guys soon.